Do you know how to make any project feel simple and clear? Welcome to the Maximize Your Results series. I'm Lilia, and today we're demystifying something that often feels overwhelming: project management. Now, before you tune out, thinking, I'm not a project manager, let me stop you right there. If you've ever planned a launch, hosted an event, written a proposal, or coordinated moving parts to meet a deadline, you've managed a project. And when you understand the basics, everything becomes easier, faster, and infinitely more satisfying. So, what exactly is a project? It's any temporary effort with a clear beginning, a defined end, and a specific goal. Simple as that. But clarity is what separates a successful project from a stressful one. Start by defining the scope, what's included, and equally important, what's not. Vague edges lead to confusion and scope creep. If you want your work to move smoothly, your boundaries must be crystal clear from the beginning. Once the scope is set, break the whole thing down into phases. Think of it like chapters in a book: planning, designing, executing, reviewing. And within each phase, identify the actual steps you need to take. Milestones give you direction. Deadlines give you momentum. Together they prevent drift. Even if you're flying solo, assign ownership to each piece of the puzzle. Don't leave your responsibilities fuzzy. And if you're working with others, name names. Who's leading? Who's supporting? Who's reviewing? Clarity here saves hours of back and forth later. Keep progress visible. Use whatever system feels intuitive. Maybe a digital board, a shared document, or a wall of sticky notes. Visibility brings accountability. When everyone sees what's in motion and what's not, the guesswork disappears. And check in weekly. Even 5 minutes of review can reconnect you to the bigger picture. When it's done, it's not really done. Pause. Look back. Ask yourself and your team, if you have one, what worked beautifully? What hit friction? What could we do better next time? Because every project is more than a deliverable. It's a chance to upgrade your systems, your decisions, your flow. So here's the question. Is your current project clearly defined? Do you know what success looks like? And does everyone involved know too? If not, what's one conversation, one map, one decision that would bring more clarity today? Managing projects isn't about being rigid or technical. It's about creating clarity where there was once chaos. And when you lead with intention, even the most complex project becomes manageable and meaningful. Let clarity lead, the results will follow. Subscribe for more.